All right, guys, there was some confusion on this problem, so I'm going to show you how to get it started. First thing I want you to make aware of is this is huge. If we can rewrite this problem here using positive exponents, we want to do that first. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this using a positive exponent. So what you have to remember is the property of exponents that you just learned. So we have y, and then it's going to be times this -2. This negative flips the base of x. So instead of x, we're going to flip it, and it turns into 1 over x, and then the power of 2 turns positive and follows the base. So now it's 1 over x squared. Now if I wrote this correctly, it's really y equals 8 times 1, that's 8 over x squared. Okay, so this is the equation we're going to use. And what we're going to do is fill in this input-output table. And all we're going to do is plug in this x value into this x value, do the math using order of operations, and then we get a y. Okay, so let's start with this -3, and we're going to plug it into this x. So equals 8 over -3 squared. Okay, so again, all I did was plug in -3 in for x, and now we do this math. So -3 to the second power, this turns into 8 over 9. Okay, so my answer for when I plug in -3, we get our y is equal to 8 over 9. And I'm going to put this in decimal form so it's a little bit easier to graph. So 8 divided by 9 is really just 0.88. So we are going to plot -3.88 So our first point is -3, comma 0.88. -3.88, that's about right here. Okay, so let's erase that, and let's do -2. So I'm going to plug in -2 again for here. So it's equal to 8 -2 to the second. If you do the math correctly, it's 8 over 4. And 8 over 4 is actually 2. So this turns into -2, 2. -2, 2. Okay? And you would continue this by plugging in these numbers, doing the math, and then you're going to get a graph. You would do the same thing for problem number 4. Hopefully this helps.